How to change language in NBA Live Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your language setting in NBA Live application. First things first, launch open the NBA Live mobile app on your Android or iOS and wait for the main menu or home screen to load. Once you're inside this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this profile section, go to Preferences from the left-hand menu. Under Preferences, you'll see Language option. Select a different language option that you want to change to from the menu and click Continue. This will restart the game, and now the menu and prompts will appear in your chosen language. You can go back to the same menu if you ever want to change your language setting again. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.